G'day, I'm Scott from Easy Shed, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a louver window kit. It's not as hard as it sounds, and it's easier than it looks. So everything's laid out. Your bottom, your top, your sides, your louvers, and your window blades with a protective coating comes off before you install it. Okay, let's put this together now. So she's all laid out. Separate your sides, grab your top, tabs on the outside, get the bottom, whack that in there, and now it's ready to screw together. Rightio, screw, drill, and just repeat for the other three corners. Okay, once that's done, louver mech, slide that into place, clip that in there, take the other one, opening handle on the top, and put this one in place. So before you screw it off, just ensure one thing, that each of these corners are exactly the same measurement, so she's nice and square. So make sure you go through all three components at the one time. Takes a bit of time to get right, just steady as she goes, and it'll just take into place there like that. So make sure you get those three together. So once you've done the corners, 4 down each side. Beauty. Now they're all screwed off, it's time to do the louvers. Take the plastic coating completely off. Pick your window up, ready for your louvers. Take one of these and we're going to slot it straight into position. Last one in, and there it is, all done, ready to install in your Easy Shed. As simple as that.